Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the HybridRacing shift knob, as you guys see from HybridRacing. But yeah, this is the white delrin, like 130 or whatever it's called. I've been wanting this shift knob since ever since I got this car, and I finally ordered it like what, three weeks ago, and it was like on back order, so I had to wait a while, but I think it was worth it. And yeah, let me get into unboxing. Oh yeah, HybridRacing. The sticker. I might just put this on my car because I got pretty much everything on HybridRacing now. Here's the box. Pretty cool box. Oh shit. Got this HybridRacing. I don't know what this is. I think it's just like a, I don't know what it is, but I'll keep it anyways. Here. Say thank you. Not the real deal here, bro. Sheesh. Racing boys. 130R. I thought it would be bigger, not gonna lie, but alright. I guess this install into the car real quick. I apologize for having a low light. I don't want to pull my car out just to install a shift knob. But yeah, let's get into you know, pulling this one out. I'll put it on the seat real quick. Sheesh. Alright, I might put the fucking thing on, but dude, it feels hella good. Dude, no joke, this is a good ass fucking shift knob. I got some real shit. Like, it feels like, I want to say precise, but it feels more like my direct when you put it in gear. Like when you do like the right hand positioning, when you shift gears, when you bang gears, it feels like perfect. Let me try to put the locking on, because I feel like without it, I'm like messing up the screws. So. Dude, this is fucking precise, bro. Love it. Like, I feel like I won't pop out of gear as much anymore too, because what this one is like, this one's okay. I learned a lot shifting with this. That sounds kind of dumb saying that, but it did, like, you know, like teach me a lot about like hand positioning when you shift and stuff. Yeah, this one, when I race, you know, when I race people, you know, you get kind of nervous and you kind of get, you know, for me personally, I have sweaty hands. I remember racing the homies a lot, and my hand would slip off this. It's like, this is like pretty much like metal, I guess. Yeah, not a good material to, you know, do pulls in. But the delrin is more of like, it feels kind of plastic, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, it feels good, man. Like, definitely getting into gears is more like easier, because with the stock one, it felt kind of stiffer, I guess, too. I don't know how to explain it, but maybe because this one's more weighted and this one's like light as hell. Hope you guys can see the logo. Let me see right there, down there, the racing logo. Pretty sick. But yeah, on that note, I'm sorry if I, you know, this video is kind of trash because, you know, I don't want to pull the car out of the garage. But I'll probably do a, I don't know, maybe a POV driving of me doing a review on it. Maybe I'll continue this video another day. But yeah, overall, I love the shift knob. Like, I still need to drive with it, obviously, but I'll probably do like a little cinematic with it like later on when I'm not busy. But yeah, this is fire, man. Shit, there's like a light bulb right now. Fire, bro. Alright, I'll see you guys I guess the next clip, or whenever I do decide to continue this vlog. So yeah, see you guys. What's up, everyone? This is like what, 2 days after. I'm here working out with Mong, my mentor. We're working out, and yeah, I guess I don't really know what to do with the vlog, but I guess I'll just vlog my daily routines of the weekend. But yeah, enjoy these clips, I guess. Alright, vlog, that's pretty much it for the workout session. I didn't film much because I don't know what to film. But yeah, special thanks to Mom, always helps me. You know what I'm saying? Is it even recording? It is recording. But yeah, no, hey, but I'll flex it like that. But yeah, I guess I'll end the vlog with like some cinematics with the shift knob, or maybe give you guys a review on it too. I don't know how that do it because I don't have the section cut, but I guess I'll just hold it.
I'll give Reggie my
It's alright. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys on the road. Alright, what's up, vlog? Oh, it is hot today. You know what? I'm gonna put the AC on. Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a little review on the shift knob. And yeah. First, I mean, I already drove the car earlier, but my initial impressions, it really like gives you a better feel when you shift. I mean, overall, it's not that like oh amazing change, but it really does change the way you shift too. For sure, it gives you more leverage when you shift, when you bend gears, and for sure, just going to reverse is like easier now too, especially when I did the gear selector springs and the detail springs. It was like so hard to get into reverse. Yeah, overall, if you guys want to pick up the shift knob, definitely do it. It's a really good shift knob just to just to have. And honestly, I feel it's better than the stock one I had before. Very well though, pretty much I've just been chilling, fixing the car, but making it look as nice as possible before Trillington. It's pretty much like a car show, but yeah. I chose the white one because I have the white Sirikawa. I mean, I used to have my white TE reps, but those are gone. But I feel like the white really makes the red shifter pop out even more, so that's why I chose the white one. But there's like 2 selections you can get: the black one and the white one. really say much about it. It's a shift knob, but I feel like it's great for me because I've been having like a lot of like shifting issues, like just like, cause I'm a short dude, so it's like the stock shift knob really made it like kind of awkward to shift. Do a cinematic, but I don't know, cinematic's kind of hard to do when the GoPro, I mean, I don't know, whatever, but hope you guys enjoyed the little review I did. I know it's like a simple install, but I just want to show you guys my opinions on the shift knob itself. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the little video I made, please drop a like, comment, subscribe if you